Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Apple CarPlay in your Buick Encore. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the ignition is on. Before we begin, confirm your iPhone is updated to iOS 7.1 or later, and that Siri is enabled in your phone's settings. This ensures a smooth connection and full access to all CarPlay features. Let's get started with the simple steps to integrate your iPhone with your vehicle's infotainment system. Next, let's check your Buick Encore's infotainment system settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your vehicle's touchscreen display. From there, you'll want to locate the Apple CarPlay option. Make sure this feature is enabled or switched to on within the vehicle's menu. This step is crucial for your car to recognize and connect with your iPhone, allowing for seamless integration of your favorite apps and features. Now, it's time to connect your iPhone. Use a high-quality USB cable to plug your iPhone into the designated USB port in your Buick Encore. This port is usually found in the center console or on the dashboard. Once connected, you may see prompts appear on both your iPhone and the car's infotainment screen. Simply follow these on-screen instructions to authorize the connection and begin the CarPlay setup process. It's a quick and straightforward step. Once connected, Apple CarPlay should automatically launch on your Buick's infotainment screen. You can now access navigation, music, messages, and other compatible apps directly from your car's display. If you encounter any issues, such as a connection failure, try using a different USB cable, as some cables are not data compatible. You can also try restarting your iPhone or the vehicle's infotainment system. Enjoy the convenience and safety of CarPlay on your drives.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.